Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you on how we can download images in Instagram. So any kind of image we can download it in Instagram. I just follow these steps. I opening Instagram. So I'm here at Flux Ani page. Actually I don't know who he is, but I check his page and there are a lot of anime wallpapers here that I really want. So let's try to look for something we can download. Wow. If you're a One Piece fan, man, these wallpapers are insane. Naruto fan, Sasuke, wow. Wow, this is two. MH, Kakashi Kai, Sasuke as well, Naruto, wow. Okay, I think I already found what wallpaper I want to download. So here it is. Just click the image that you want to download and you will see here a paper. I don't know what is this paper airplane icon. So this one, so just hit it. I believe this is the share button and then copy link. So once you copy, go to a website, go to your browser and then search for this website, Save Insta. There you go. So save clip, just click this link and then there you go. We are here in the website of the Save Clip or Save Insta app. So what would you want to do is to paste the URL that you copied and then hit the download here. So after you hit that download, there will be a pop-up here. Just close this one and then there you go. You can now download the wallpaper that you like. So for example, this one, I'm going to download image here. So after you click the download image, there will be another pop-up. So you just need to hit the back button of your device. So after that, just click the download image again and there you go. You can now download every image here that you want. So I'm going to download these three wallpapers: Jiraya, Minato, Shikamaru, Sakura. So I think we're good with Naruto, Sasuke, and Kakashi. Okay, so let's check the image that we downloaded. Let's try to set a wallpaper, a new wallpaper coming from those three images. Gallery, alright. This one, the Naruto one. Wow, Kurama and Naruto man. Apply and set as home screen. So there you go guys, the quality is 100% superb. It's full HD quality. So in short, what you see is what you get in the Instagram app. Wow, this one is dope. So yeah, that's it guys, that's how you download any kind of image in Instagram. So if you like that video, if you like this video, just please hit the subscribe button and you can also like this video. Alright, so I think that's it for this video and peace and one love. Goodbye guys.